बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एमसीक्यूज की दुनिया से आपको खुशामदीद कहते हैं नई वीडियो के साथ। ये वीडियो इंतहाई अहम है। जितने भी आने वाले एग्जाम्स 2023-24 के जनरल नॉलेज के हवाले से ये इंतहाई अहम है। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में तकरीबन 100 तक जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चन करेंगे जो आने वाले एग्जाम के लिए बहुत इंतहाई इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। पहला नंबर क्वेश्चन है, द अर्थ सरफेस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू हाउ मेनी कॉन्टिनेंट? 7 कॉन्टिनेंट। These continents are from largest to smallest: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Question number 2. The biggest island of the world is Greenland. Option B is the correct answer. Is second question. Third number question. The United Nations was founded on October 24, 1945. Option B is the correct answer. In third questions. Question number 4. The Nobel Prize has been awarded in how many fields? In 6 fields. In this video lecture, the 6 fields are given: literature number 1, medicine number 2, physics number 3, chemistry number 4, peace number 5 and economics. यानी इन तमाम फील्डों में दिया जाता है लिटरेचर, मेडिसिन, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, पीस और इकोनॉमिक्स के हवाले से। इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द फर्स्ट नोबेल प्राइज वाज अवॉर्डेड इन डैश 1901. 1901. These detail are the Peace Prize for Frenchman Frederic Pezzi and Swiss Jean Henry Dant. Question number 6. Duration of national anthem of Pakistan is 80 seconds. 80 seconds. यानी 1 मिनट और 20 सेकंड है पाकिस्तान के कौमी टाइम का जो दौरानिया है पाकिस्तान के कौमी तराने का। Question number 7. The deepest part of Earth is Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench in Pacific Ocean is the deepest location on Earth. It's 420 meters below the sea level. Below the sea level. Question number 8. The largest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. The largest planet of solar system is Jupiter. Option C is the correct answer. Smallest planet Mercury. Question number 9. The smallest deadliest conflict was World War I. World War II. Option B is the correct answer. सबसे जो मुहल्लिक जंग था दुनिया का वो वर्ल्ड वार 2 था। डेथ इसमें जो हुआ था 15.9 मिलियन डेथ जो रेट था। डेथ रेट ऑफ वर्ल्ड वार 2 15.9 million. Question number 10. The earth ocean water is divided into dash 5 ocean. PISA is this code is given. PISA Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. These are the code PISA for 5 ocean. Question number 11. World War I began in 1914. World War I started from 28 July 1914 and ended 11 November 1918. Death rate in World War I 9.2 million. World War II was began in 1939. Option C is the correct answer. In question 12. 11 start from 11 September 1939 and 2 September 1945. 15.9 million death in World War II. Question number 13. The first Secretary General of United Nations was Trigulay. Option C is the correct answer. These Trigulay belong to first Asian Secretary General of UN, Tant. These details are given. Question number 14. The hottest desert of the world is Sahara Desert. Option is the correct answer in 14 questions. Question number 15. The height of Eiffel Tower is 1060, 1063. Option A is the correct answer. Eiffel Tower located Paris, France. Question number 16. The oldest news agency in the world is AFP. AFP, Agency France Presse. This is oldest agency, news agency. Question number 17. The atomic bomb was dropped on the city of Hiroshima on 6th August 1945. This bomb name was the bomb which was dropped on Hiroshima. This name was atom bomb name was Little Boy. Question number 18. Question number 18. The atomic bomb was dropped on the city of Nagasaki on 9 August 1945. This atomic bomb which was dropped on Nagasaki name was Fat Man. Question number 19. Which is the largest oil producing member country of CPEC, OPEC? What is OPEC? OPEC is oil exporting country of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Option C is the correct answer in 19 questions. Question number 20. The world oldest known city is Damascus. Option B is the correct answer in Damascus, capital city of Syria. Question number 21. Which country is largest in area? Russia. Russia area 17.1 million kilometers per square. Smallest country by area, Vatican City 44 AHA. Question number 22. How many white stars are on the national flag of United States of America? 50 state. This means that United Nations has 50 stars in his flags and also 50 states or provinces. Which country is the world largest producer of coffee? Brazil. Option C is the correct answer in 23 questions. Question 24. Maximum spoken language in the world is Mandarin. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 25. The oldest university in the world is University of Bologna. Option C is the correct answer in 25 questions. Graveyard of Empires, Afghanistan. Option C is the correct answer in 26 questions. 27 questions. Which country is known as land of rising sun? Japan. Option A is the correct answer in 28 questions. 29 question. First, which country introduced paper currency? China. Option C is the correct answer in 29 questions. 30 questions. First time which country introduced competitive examination for selection of public servant? पब्लिक सर्वेंट के लिए किसने कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम कंडक्ट किए सबसे पहले? ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर इन 30 क्वेश्चंस. चाइना. 31 questions. Which one is city of Canal? Canal Venice option is the correct answer. Venice, city of Italy. 32 question. Table tennis is a national game of which country? China. Option C is the correct answer. 32 questions. What is meant by petticoat government? Government run by women, that is called petticoat government. Option B is a correct answer in 33 questions. Question number 34. The number one producer of gold in the world is China. Option C is a correct answer in 34 questions. 35 questions. Which country is called land of maple leaf? Option C is the correct answer in 35 question. Canada is the land of maple leaf. Question number 36. Which country is called playground of Europe? Switzerland. Option C is the correct answer in 36 questions. 37 questions. The largest producer of solar energy in the world is China. Option C is the correct answer in 37 questions. Question number 38. Who founded All India National Congress? Alan Octavian Hume. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 39. Which country is known as cockpit of Europe? Option B is the correct answer in 39 questions. 40 questions. Which city is called City of Seven Hills? Rome. 7 पहाड़ों का शहर किसको कहा जाता है? Rome. Option C is the correct answer in 40 questions. 41 questions. Which king died while playing polo? Qutbuddin Aibak. Option C is the correct answer in 41 questions. Question number 42. Mughal Emperor Humayun died fall from library stair. Option C is the correct answer in 42 questions. The world's biggest diamond producer is Russia. Option C is the correct answer in 43 questions. 44 questions. Which one is world largest landlocked country? Kazakhstan. Option B is a correct answer in 44 questions. Total landlocked country 44 in numbers. 45 questions. Which city is called City of Mosques? Masjid. Dhaka. Option C is the correct answer in 45 questions. 46 question. Which is the old city of Pakistan? Multan. Option C is the correct answer in 46 questions. 47 question. The highest building of Pakistan is Icon Tower. Option C is the correct answer in 47 questions. Question number 48. The first passport issued by Ayub regime in 1960. Option B is the correct answer in 48 questions. Question number 49. The largest wheat producing country in the world is China. Option C is the correct answer in 49 questions. 50 questions. Who was the first governor of State Bank Pakistan? Zahid Hussain. Option C is the correct answer in 50 questions. 51 questions. Which city of Pakistan is famous for sport goods? Sialkot. Option C is the correct answer. खेल के सामान के लिए सियालकोट मशहूर है. Option C correct answer in 51 questions. 52 question. World's neckless country is Option C यानी वो मुल्क जिसमें सांप कम है वो न्यूजीलैंड. Option C is the correct answer. 53 question. Which city of Pakistan was known as City of Maple Trees? Abbottabad. City of Maple Trees, Abbottabad. Option C is the correct answer in 53 questions. 54 question. Pakistan officially joined the United Nations on 30 September 1947. Option B is the correct answer in 54 questions. 55 questions. The name of UNO was coined by Frank Roosevelt. Option B is the correct answer in 55 questions. Largest district of Pakistan by population is Lahore. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 57. The biggest district of Pakistan by area is Chaghi. Option B is the correct answer. In 57 questions, which is the largest mobile service in Pakistan? Moblink. Option B is the correct answer. सबसे ज़्यादा जो इस्तेमाल होने वाला मोबाइल सर्विस है वो मोबलिंक है. ऑप्शन ए दुरुस्त जवाब है. 59 क्वेश्चन. मोस्ट populous city in the world is Tokyo. Option B is the correct answer in 59 questions. Who built Badshahi Masjid? Aurangzeb Alamgir. Option C is the correct answer in 60 questions. Question number 61. Which continent has no desert? Option A is the correct answer. 62 question. The highest population growth rate among the following countries are Bangladesh. Option A is the correct answer in 62 questions. 63 questions. Which country has no railway track? Afghanistan. Option A is the correct answer. 64 questions. The oldest flag of the world is Denmark. Option A is the correct answer in 64 questions. Question number 65. The oldest anthem of the world is Japan. Option A is the correct answer in 65 questions. 66 questions. Pakistan television started in the reign of Ayub Khan. Option C is the correct answer in 66 questions. 67 questions. The shortest day is 22nd December. सबसे छोटा दिन जो है 22 दिसंबर है. ऑप्शन सी दुरुस्त जवाब है 67 क्वेश्चंस में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68. ICC was founded in the year 1909. Option C is the correct answer in 68 questions. 69 questions. When Pakistan introduced National Identity Card NIC 1973. Option C is the correct answer in 69 questions. The country without capital is Naro. Option A is the correct answer in 70 questions. Question number 71. Most immigration country is USA. Option A is the correct answer in 71 questions. 72 question. Which country is the biggest producer of uranium in the world? Kazakhstan. Option A is the correct answer in 72 questions. Who was the first wife of Quaid-e-Azam? Amy Bai. Option C is the correct answer. Quaid-e-Azam has two wives. First Amy Bai and second Ratan Bai. ऑप्शन यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. 74 क्वेश्चंस. हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ इंटरपोल इज लोकेटेड इन लियान. सदर मकाम लियान फ्रांस में है इंटरपोल का. 75 क्वेश्चंस. what tallest tree is known as redwood? Option B is the correct answer in 75 questions. Question number 77. Word fastest bird is peregrine falcon. Option C is the correct answer in 77 questions. 78 questions. The highest civil award is Nishan-e-Pakistan. Option C is the correct answer in 78 questions. 79 questions. Which is the second most beautiful capital in the world? Islamabad. World most beautiful capital? London. Question number 80. Which country is called Thunderbolt of Asia? Option B is the correct answer, Bhutan. Question number 81. Qutub Minar was built by Qutbuddin Aibak. Option B is the correct answer in 81 questions. 82 questions. The world's first underground railway system was built in London. Option C is the correct answer in 82 questions. GT Road was constructed by Sher Shah Suri. Option C is the correct answer. इन 83 क्वेश्चंस जीटी रोड का तामीर शशा सूरी ने किया था। 84 question, world largest copper producer is Chile. Option C is the correct answer in 84 questions. 85 questions हैं। The world largest bird is common ostrich. Option B is the correct answer. 86 questions. The world first camel hospital is located in Dubai. Option C is the correct answer in 86 questions. 87 questions. The planet which revolves slowly around the sun is Neptune. Option C is the correct answer in 87 questions. Al Jazeera TV channel belong to Qatar. Option A is the correct answer in 88 questions. 89 questions. Which from the following country has no armed forces? Iceland. Option C is the correct answer. यानी वो मुल्क जिसका मुसल्लह अफवाज नहीं है वो आइसलैंड है। ऑप्शन सी दुरुस्त जवाब है। 90 questions. The book Higher Than Hope is a biography of Nelson Mandela. Book Higher Than Hope ये सनवा उम्री है किसकी? नेल्सन मंडेला की। ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर इन 80 questions. 91 questions. The International Court of Justice is located in The Hague. Option C is the correct answer in 91 questions. 92 questions. Which country lead the world in wind energy? China. Option C is the correct answer in 92 questions. 93 questions. Which is the smallest state in Asia? Maldives. Option C is the correct यानी सबसे छोटा स्टेट एशिया में मालदीव्स हैं। 94 questions. Highest rainfall area of Pakistan, Murray. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 95. Which country has no river? Saudi Arabia. Option C is the correct answer in 95 questions. Question number 96. Who give the title Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah? Maulana Mazharuddin Shaheed. Option B is the correct answer. The title of Qaid-e-Azam was given to Maulana Muhammad Ali Jinnah by Maulana Mazharuddin Shaheed in 1938. World highest waterfall is in Venezuela. Angel Fall. Option C is the correct answer in 97 questions. 98 questions. The oldest intelligence agency of Pakistan is IB Intelligence Bureau, established in 1947. Question number 99. The tiger of Mysore is called Tipu Sultan. Tiger of Mysore is called Tipu Sultan. Option C is the correct answer in 99 questions. 100 questions. First T20 international was played between Australia and New Zealand. This match was played on 17 February 2005. Dear friends, if you like this video, if you you got some information from this video, then click on this video and share and press the bell icon for more informative video. Thank you for watching this video.